Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily check your game stats on Roblox. It's a quick process, so let's dive right in. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Once you're in, if you want to check the analytics for a game you've created, just follow these simple steps. Tap on the More button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Create option, then tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the games you've created. Tap on the game you're interested in to view its analytics. Alternatively, you can tap on the three lines, menu icon, at the top left of the screen. Under your game's title, tap Analytics. Once you're in the Analytics section, you'll get access to a variety of insights. Retention. Check how well your game retains players over time. Daily active users, DAU. See how many users play your game each day. New and returning users. Track how many new players join and how many return to play again. Engagement. Find out how long users are playing with metrics like average session time. Acquisition. Understand how users are finding your game. Audience. Learn about your player demographics, including country, gender, age, and language. You can also filter these analytics based on different time periods like the last 7, 30, or 90 days. And that's how you check your game stats on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.